Hi guys, today we will explain how to use Google Calendar, and the method for both means for iPhone and for Android are same. So first let's install the application. For installing it, open the Google Play Store. Or if you are using an iPhone, then open the Apple Store. And then take a look at the bottom. You will see an icon search. Just click on it. And in the search bar, search for Google Calendar. And on the second number, you can see the desired application. Click on it and install this application. And then tap on the option Open. Now the application has been opened. But if you are opening it for the first time, then enter your Google account. Because after entering your Google account, you can use this application, and without signing in, you cannot use this application. So after signing in, take a look at my screen. All the important days are highlighted. It will work as a reminder. If you have too much busy schedule and you are not good at remembering, then this app will be useful. Just for example, just take a look on 20 October, my friend's birthday is coming, and if I scroll down, you can see it's saying happy birthday to me because my birthday was on 21 September. Just like I said, it will work as a reminder. It will remind the important days, event and task. And if you want to add your own task, then take a look at the right bottom. You will see an icon plus. Just click on it. The first option is out of office. The next one is working location. Third one is task. And fourth one is event. You can add all of these. And at that specific day, this will remind you. Just for showing you, I will add an event. So that's why I'm clicking on the option event. The first thing I have to do is I need to enter the title. So just for showing you, I will write. The second option is my desired email. So it's already selected, so I will not change it. Next option is all day. If you want to set it on all day, then turn it on. Then you will not need to select a specific time. But for me, I will select a specific time. So that's why I'm turning it off. And the next thing is set the date. So tap on the date and select your start date. This one is already selected, so I will not change it. The next thing is time. Click on time and change it by yourself. Now I need to select the end date and time. So I think 1 hour is enough. The start and end date are the same. Pakistan Standard Time. My time is already selected, but if you want to set it another time zone, then click on it, and on the top you have to write that time zone. But for now I will not do it, so that's why I'm going back from here, and here is the option does not repeat. If you want to repeat this, then click on it and here choose it by yourself. Another option is add people. Click on it and add your people by using their email address, and on the same day this calendar will remind you you have to invite that people. Now let's go back, scroll down, and the next one is add video conference. You can also add a video conference by using it, and also can add location. Let's move forward, and the next option is reminder. 30 minutes before, tap on it and select. When you will select this 5 minutes before, then this calendar will remind you before 5 minutes. And also you can set a custom by tapping on the option custom and here choose, and that time this calendar will remind you. Let's move forward, and here is the default color of the event. So I think it's good. Tap on the option description and add a random description for your event. Just for showing you, I will write. I think this description is enough. The last one is add Google Drive attachment. So if you have a Google Drive attachment, then click on it and add your attachment. But for now, I think this one is enough. And now time to save it. So take a look on the right top, you will see an option save. Just click on it. My event has been saved. And on that specific day, this calendar will remind you I set a vacation. And you can also see if I scroll up, on 5 November, my vacation has been set, and if I click on it, everything is set up. In simple word, this calendar will be very useful in your daily life. And it was the way by which you can use this calendar.